Hello there. Welcome. You must be here for our English lesson. I hope you are as excited as I am. Today we will learn the name of certain places in English. Some of our friends and I will help you. Shall we get going? Wow, that was fast. Where am I? That's right. I am in the park. Park. Can you say it with me? Park. 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 Wow. Great job. Make sure to take your time.
Hey guys. You have arrived for lesson 2. Good job. My name is Peter. As you can see, I am in school. School. Repeat after me. School. 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 You guys are awesome. Now I have to go. I have to finish class.
Hello. I am Jane. Looks like you guys just caught me having a cup of coffee. This place is a cafe. Say it with me. Cafe. 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 Wow, you guys are wonderful. Very well done. I think it is not your first time learning English. Well, anyway, I would like to finish my coffee now. Good luck with the rest of the lesson.
Hello. I am Zara. Please excuse me. I have been feeling a little ill, so I have come to the pharmacy to get my medicine. Let us say it together. Pharmacy. 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 Wow. You are all so smart. Sorry, all of you. I am still sick. I will get my medicine now. Have fun.
Hello everyone. I am so happy you are here. I am in the library doing my assignments. Library. Say it with me. Library. 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 Good job everyone. You are all so smart. Now, if you will excuse me, I have some reading to finish. I really do not want to, but I have to. Enjoy.
Oh. Wow. You surprised me. I am Julie. I was just relaxing at home after a long day. Home. Say it with me. Home. 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 Great job. You guys completed this lecture. You should be so proud.
Can we relax now? I had such a long day.
Yes, Uncle Peter. We can relax now. You guys relax at home too. Great job, everyone. Take care.
See you next time.